Warren Buffett, world's richest investor's investment strategy, is famously simple: he buys companies that are strong and profitable. This approach has worked well for him, and he has amassed a fortune of over $60 billion. We will look at 3 strategies that the world's richest investor follows. And second is my favorite one. So stay till the end to find them, or you may lose something valuable. There are a few things to keep in mind when following these strategies, or you may go wrong. First, it is important to look for companies that are well run and have a solid track record of profitability. Second, it is important to diversify your portfolio across a variety of industries and companies. Finally, it is important to patience and stick with a good investment plan over the long term. 1. Don't follow the crowd. As Buffett does, the most effective way to invest is to overlook the crowd completely and focus on finding value on your own. He likewise says, the most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. You need a temperament that neither derives great pleasure from being with the crowd or against the crowd. 2. Don't fear market crashes and corrections. The obvious goal of stock investing is to buy low and sell high, but human nature can compel us to do the exact opposite. Buffett loves it when stock prices drop, since it creates opportunities to buy at a discount. Buffett embraces discounts on his favorite stocks and says, opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. 3. Look for a margin of safety. Prioritizing a margin of safety is a cornerstone of Buffett's investment philosophy. Buffett's goal is always to pay less than a company's intrinsic value. As he says, a too high purchase price for the stock of an excellent company can undo the effects of a subsequent decade of favorable business developments. Many of us do already know these, but often fail to follow. If you agree, then write it in the comment down that you will follow them from now on. I hope this video was able to influence you enough so you can follow these strategies in future and gain success. Now say it to yourself that you will follow these, and press the like button. Do subscribe for further videos, and press the bell button to be the first to see the videos.